WxbWX09-18L.asf.org.
Don't worry, John promises the heat will be back.
That's right.
I don't think anybody's worried about it. Nobody's worried about that. They all know, and I know. And I hope you enjoyed a pleasant evening. Tomorrow's not going to be so bad either. Look outside right now. There's very few clouds to find across the area. Some high clouds right at sunset. They're now thinned out and gone. You want to see clouds, we've got to come off the Florida coast. That is Tropical Storm Brett, which continues to spin. In fact, across the region, there's very little precipitation except for Brett. And Brett is now just starting to weaken, now with 60-mile-an-hour winds. Winds then in a direction of northeast at 7. He'll stay away from the U.S. coastline. Brett is not going to be a problem at all, and that's very good news to report. Our hurricane hotline, of course, is already up and ready to go just in case. 644-TV11 from SEMA and WTOC. We've got some showers just offshore, very little report there, and across North Georgia, some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather as well from New Mexico up into the Dakotas with tornadoes earlier today. Hail reports all across the northern tier of states. That's where the storm track is. None of that is pushed into our direction at all, so we're not really worried about that at all. In fact, as we go through the next couple of days with our future max, watch how all the storminess continues to stay. Basically, Ohio, Tennessee Valley, raining itself out until it gets closer to us. Then we see some of this rain coming in. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms, not only Wednesday, but it looks like Thursday afternoon will get the same treatment. That's why we've added a chance of showers and thunderstorms into the forecast. But one more time, look what Brett's going to continue to do, staying far away from our shoreline, so we're not worried about him at all. Today's high was, in fact, 90 degrees, just a little below the normal of 93. No precipitation, almost 5.5 inches below normal. 74 now here at WTOC, relative humidity 84%. Winds are calm. Our high today here on Chatham Parkway was 88 degrees. Temperatures cooling. We lose the reds, get the oranges and yellows. 78, 77 degrees now officially in Savannah. We're watching this trough of low pressure, which is actually helping to steer Brett away from us. High pressure, though, is going to fill in behind, and as that ridging comes over our area, that's allowing the heat to go on. Compression is pushing the air up and really starting to make us broil. We'll see a low risk of rip current coming up on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, the same thing, a moderate risk of rip current. Let's check our Doppler Max 11 forecast real quickly. And for tonight, look for a very quiet evening, 68 degrees with just some high thin clouds, a light southeast breeze, no problems. 94 for tomorrow, that's starting to get hot again. South wind at 5 to 8 or 5 to 9 miles an hour. 72 tomorrow night, 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms, but the upper 90s both Wednesday and Thursday, 98 and 97. Heat indices will again approach the danger level. Friday, Saturday, Sunday back into the mid-90s, even Monday at the very end of the 7-day forecast. Overnight lows from the upper 60s to the upper 70s toward the end of the forecast period. Lots of fun things going on, including the final weekend of the Buford Waterfest. Boy, that'll be fantastic, especially with those nice hot temperatures. A good way to... What do you all you got over there?
He's prepared.
Just finish.
Okay. Join me on Twitter, Big John Weather.
Okay.